a cicada. He's creepy. He has those big, bulging, red, gross eyes. He looks so big, but compared to your hand, he seems so small. I expected him to be so much bigger. He's literally the size of one knuckle. Not too bad. Jared made me promise I wouldn't pick him up because he said that he's just now developing his wings. I think I will be perfectly fine this 17-year-old cicadas, which is great because I was fucking scared to death of them. I had a total phobia where I was like having like total breakdowns about it, and it really doesn't even seem that bad right now. I just hope that I keep that mentality. Like, my screen door is so fucking huge, and the thing is like really fucking small over here, if you can even see it. He's teeny tiny. I'm super happy right now.